Giving the dog taffy. Here's the taffy.
Here, Legos to it, so you can kind of see into the case besides at the top. He got 3rd place in the contest, and he was really stoked.
Otis loves his taffy. His saltwater taffy. See? Look how happy it makes him.
Anyway, that was like, just that right there was enough for me, for the lion, for him to be 3rd place, and for him to be happy. I don't care.
Otis. Otis.
Now it's just a dust collector for me.
I love Otis.
Otis, do you like the taffy? Otis, do you like the taffy? Otis, Otis, Otis! Otis, do you like the taffy? Your breath is so fresh! Otis, you want a candy cane?
No, not the candy cane. Now you don't have stinky dog breath.
You're mean, Becky.
I'm not. I love my dog.
Want to give him some peanut butter?
No.
Peanut butter for the dog?
Yeah, a little peanut butter
I give him peanut butter
on the
cookies.
bean.
I don't think it's the same, is it? You don't get the same satisfaction?
He loves it. He's wagging his tail.
Yeah, I bet he
He's
would.
wagging.
Peanut butter too.
No,
It's the same thing when you get peanut butter, doesn't it?
Yes, peanut butter.
no, taffy's better. Huh, Odie? Taffy's better. Yeah. Do you like the taffy?
Oh my God, you're so mean.
I think he has like 4 pieces of taffy.
4?
Oh my gosh, you guys choke on that.
He is not.
You choke on it, look at
Oh,
him, he
he's
can't
eating
breathe.
tin cans. He's like a goat.
Otis!
He's like a goat.
I know, buddy. You want to go outside and hide?
No, come on, Otis. You love me.
Oh, I bet he's like, yeah, bring on the
Yeah,
peanut
you
butter,
love me.
He smells like a mint plant. So minty.
You're just preparing him for the peanut butter, aren't you?
No.
Conditioning.
Yeah.
Look, now he...
Doesn't like his butt. Weird.
It's weird. I can't stop looking.
Maybe stop looking.
Otis, oh my God. You okay? You okay? Let's see. I know, is it stuck in your teeth? Let me see.
He's fine.
Let me see.
He's fine.
Let me see. Oh my God, it is totally stuck in your teeth.
He's
What is that?
He's mad at you now. He's
Otis.
mad because you took away his
Otis.
candy. He likes it. Look.
Is he gone? Okay, here, Otis. It's like on crack.
What?
It's like it was on crack. It was like stuck on his teeth. He's like.
I wouldn't know what somebody on crack would be like.
Come here, Otis.
See, look, he wants more. He's
I
like
know
coming
he
to
does.
me.
I'm giving it to him.
Stop yelling at me, Darcy.
He wants his crack. Give him his crack. Give him his fix already.
Come here, Otis.
Little guy. Look at him. So, Jones will play next hit.
There.
That's it. You're done. You're on the wagon.
Here. It's here. Please, my fingers are sticky. God damn it! Try to help you and you leave me
Hey,
here.
don't use God's name in vain.
It's on video. You can't deny it, Darcy.
Can't deny it. I caught you.
Is that it? Are we done? Can I get rid of this? Do you want to